the next way to make more money with your laundry shop. At nasa pang-siyam na po tayong paraan, and that is offer finishing services. Ano ba yung finishing services? Ito po ay yung pagpaplansya or pressing ng mga laundry items. Alam nyo, maraming mga customers, halimbawa, nagpapalaban ng mga uniforms, school uniforms, office uniforms, government-issued uniforms. Gusto po nila nakaplansya yung mga items na yan. So, if you can offer that service, additional income na naman po yan sa inyong laundry shop. Alright? Yan po at marami pang ibang topics pinag-uusapan sa programa ang May Pera sa Labada. And I invite you to join me on a one-on-one virtual laundry business coaching session. Just register at pag-usapan natin ang inyong dream laundry business.